everybody.
What are you doing?
I'm mixing Mommy's cake.
Because it's her
Birthday time.
yeah, her birthday. Now, what are you going to put in here once you read the instructions?
1 cup water, 3 large eggs, and 1 cup vegetable oil.
Okay, vegetable oil. We're not going to use vegetable oil. We're going to use olive oil because olive oil is healthier. Okay? So what? First we need to...
1 cup water.
No, we're not going to put we're going to put the mix in. The instructions didn't say put mix in. Do that. It's what kind of cake is it? What's it say?
It said
Say it loud.
perfectly moist, strawberry supreme.
Okay, perfectly moist strawberry supreme cake mix. From who makes it? This is the company that makes it. Who makes it? This right here. What's that say? Duncan Hines, right? Okay. It's so good when you have a daughter that can read.
Oh, can I do this one first?
Okay, so you want to put this in there? Dump that in there. Dump it in. Dump. Okay, good job. Now go ahead, you can mix some. Mix it slow. Break those eggs up.
Mommy's cake is so yummy, yummy, yummy.
It's gonna be yummy.
Mommy's cake is gonna be yummy, yummy, yummy.
You like cake?
Yes.
Yeah.
I like my cake,
You gonna eat some?
but I eat my cake alone.
You eat your cake what?
I eat my cake alone. Sorry. Mommy's cake is gonna be so yummy, yummy, yummy. It's gonna be so yummy, 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 yummy.
How do you sing the happy birthday song?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mommy. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Mommy. I love you too. You're blocking me.
I need you to hold this. I need you to mix some. Come on. Mackie's a little sensitive to noise, loud noises. Okay, what we're doing is spraying the... Scrape it out.
We'll worry about them three down the street. Mary, 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 what is that you? Hey.
Okay. Good job. Good job.
This is my dad's yours, right? This is my dad's yours.
Is it? The boy's gonna make a cake. Gonna make a double layer cake. So, they both want the cake. Wow, that strawberry mix looks good. Doesn't it smell good? Smells wrap. Smells good. Okay. All right, that's done. Now,
But
what we
what
do,
we need now?
wait a little bit, and put it in the oven, and then we gotta wait. Go ahead.